How to Learn Generative AI 2025. So, generative AI, as we all know, are the generative AIs that allow you to generate different images, different videos, etc. Now, there's tons and tons of them out there in the world, like ChatGPT, Dolly, Midjourney, and so much more. So, how do you actually go ahead and learn these for yourself? So, this is basically how you're going to do it. Now, first of all, the main thing that goes when it comes to generation is creating a prompt for yourself, okay? So let's say create an image of, whatever prompt you can think of. Like I'm going to write a really long and crazy prompt. So create an image of Jack the Ripper and let's go with Mike Tyson fighting in the streets of old time Greece while riding dinosaurs. Okay. That is an extremely crazy prompt, but it's pretty straightforward. So, just like this, you write a prompt. And once you write in a prompt, what's going to happen is it's going to generate something for you. And then while that generates, you can also take courses on generative AI. So there's different courses out there that you can actually use to learn. Okay, so as you can see, we have course on Gen AI over here, and so much more. So let's say I'm going to go over to this. Now, this is a course that allows you to learn generative AI in the easiest way. It allows you how differentiate between AI architecture models such as RNNs, transforms, VAEs, GANs, implement tokenization, etc. And you can also enroll for free by simply signing yourself up with Coursera. But yeah, apart from that, you can have epic stuff generated like this in the matter of seconds. So do go ahead and learn generative AI and let me know how you think it works for you. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.